Hey guys, my name is Ashwini and I'm from Maharashtra. I am an English speaking learner. So, in today's video, I will share you 5 habits that helped me a lot to think in English. So, in today's video, I will share you how I became to think in English. Before started learning English, I was translating Hindi to English. But nowadays, I'm directly speak. I don't translate anything. But sometimes, still I translate. But I'm used to think in English, so that's why 90% of English I directly speak rather than 10% I am learner. So sometimes I translate, but I share you 5 things. First is describe describe I describe around me. Now it's started drizzling, so I'm going to behind that woman was saying me, you speak very well, like you are singing a song and I like this. She don't know, so she said me, you sing song while doing this kind, doing your hands movement. I like it, I love it, and I feel love. Oh, so where I was in this, I describe around me. This is my first habit. Let's, okay, I show you how I describe. Right now you can see at the sky, look at the sky, or are dark clouds gathered in the sky. And when you are describing, try to speak slowly, because when you are a beginner and that time you feel like sometimes you don't remember all words at that moment. So try to speak slowly, then you will understand all things. And now, how to describe, okay? You can see, guys, everywhere is just greenery. Here you can see grass, and there my grandmother is weeding, and look at these are trees. These are bended babul trees, and I am recording myself here. Like, you can speak, you can practice like this, okay? Then second thing is, I talk myself when I am lying on the bed or when I'm sitting anywhere. I just used to talk myself. I whatever things I comes in my mind, I directly think in English. I don't translate, because in starting this thing is strange. But when you are used to and you are doing this daily, you are thinking daily, because we don't have that kind of environment. You are surrounded people speak English. I'm from Maharashtra, so my surrounded people speak Marathi language. So you talk yourself in English. If you feel bad, if you feel good, try to eat everything. Sometimes you are going to eat food, so say I'm going to eat food, and you are thirsty, so say I'm thirsty and I'm going to drink water. This is glass, and I'm pouring the glass of water, and I'm drinking a glass of water right now, guys. And if you are doing any house chores, try to speak that time, okay? Like, don't shy. When you used to speak yourself, then you will automatically understand how to speak, and then your words, your pronunciation automatically becoming good, and you don't feel headache, and you don't feel pain in your head, because you are doing this in starting. I know that this is hard, but gradually when you used to do all things, then you will nail it. Okay, so now third thing is ask yourself question. Okay, well guys, right now I'm outside. Okay, now don't wait for anyone, ask you question. Okay, yeah, well, let's ask one question for myself. What can I do here? What can I do here? I can practice here. I can watch dark crowds here, and you can see I can describe this thing. It's like going rain and just soon. Like sometimes you feel stuck and you make mistakes. Don't feel shy and don't feel scared about your mistakes. Okay, and how am I doing here? So I'm recording video here, and what my grandma is doing here, what my grandma is doing here, she is weeding the grass and she is cleaning that place because it's rainy season and everywhere you can see just unwanted grass grew. So she wants to clean all our fence area. That's why she's cleaning this. So you can speak like this, okay? And sometimes you don't understand what question should I ask myself. That time you ask yourself, how am I feeling right now, and what is my today plan, and you can answer yourself. Okay, don't feel shy because you are practicing. When you don't want to speak out loud, then only speak in your mind, in your inner mind. Okay, and if you are bindas guy and if you don't feel shy, then you can speak out loud. Like, okay, now fourth thing is what? Fourth habit is fourth thing is make mistakes. Okay, mistake means progress. When you make mistakes, then you realize next time, yeah, I made here mistake and I should this grammar, I should tenses, I should improve my vocabulary. That thing when you speak wrong, this habit help you to improve more and grow more in your English speaking. So when you are speaking with yourself, make mistakes. Right now I am making mistakes, but I don't stop because I want to improve, and nobody is helping me, so I'm helping myself and I'm practicing here alone. That's why I'm making mistakes, and mm, I don't have anyone to find out my mistakes. So I'm making mistakes and I'm improving because of I'm making mistakes. And you know what, this is now fifth thing is enjoy the process. Now you can see guys, I always record myself, and I enjoy this recording process because I love to record myself. And she is laughing on me because she she was saying me I like when you speak in English. So what, where I was, well, yeah, I was saying enjoy the process. When you record yourself or when you are practicing English, don't feel shy and don't feel irritated. It's okay. And when you feel irritated, main problem is when you are trying to use those kind of words, those type of vocabulary, those you don't know, you didn't hear before, and that's why you feel like irritated. So don't use that kind of vocabulary. Whatever vocabulary and whatever simple English words you know, try to use those words and try to make simple words. Try to make simple sentence in starting. Then gradually, because of your practice and because of your learning reading, you will improve automatically. No need to force yourself to speak hard words and speak slowly. Okay, so guys, these 5 habits are making me think in English directly instead of translating English. And one extra habit is when you are doing and when you are going anywhere, don't translate, don't think that word in Hindi directly. You are just look at this, don't speak in Hindi about this word. This you directly speak, this is flower and this is bird, this is fruit of this tree, and this is branch, and this all are branches, and this is tree, this is dry branches. You can see like this, directly speak in English. Don't think in Hindi in starting. This is hard, but after you practiced, this is easy. Okay, and what say, this is wood. Look at this, this is babul tree branches, and everywhere you just whatever you are seeing around you, you speak in English, not think in Hindi and translate in English. Like look at there is a dog, there is a dog, you directly speak that is dog, not kutta. What say English in kutta, and then you will think yeah dog, not like this. Direct speak, this is dog, this is grass, this is all things, directly speak. Okay, and these all things help you. Don't try to do all things one day. Someday you are just alone and you are lying on your bed. So when you are thinking about any event, any scenario which happened in your past, so you are thinking about this, so think that event in English. No, no matter, or you are thinking all sentence and all event in English, some words or some sentence try to think in English and otherwise your native language, then your these things will help you. Because I'm doing like this, and I record myself, and if you're shy to record yourself, then you will practice your English speaking in the front of mirror, or just sit alone and you can practice. Don't feel shy, because how how much time you will just think in your mind. Take actions and try to do one time one action. Don't when you, I know that in this process you will feel so many headache, but accept it, because we don't have environment and still we are trying to improve yourself. Nowadays you know that English is everywhere. When anyone speak English, then you think he or she is very clever, intelligent, and I am not. So because of they have that kind of environment, and they are speaking well, because since childhood there are some people are living in that kind of people, they always speak English, and we are just living anywhere. We learned in our school, colleges, there were we didn't learn English. So that's why we are doing this. So I hope you understand, guys. And you can see behind, my grandma is still weeding grass, and you can say taking out of grass. Okay, I hope guys you understand and you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay happy. Bye bye.